likes cars.
Hello everyone and welcome to Lightning Zoo. So apparently someone left a pit bull out somewhere in the street and it was actually eating garbage. So we just picked up the dog and I guess he has a little allergy. Good. According to the person that, oh well, he pulls a little bit. So sit. So he looks like he's trained. Sit. Sit. Yes. So he responds to leash correction. He has a little allergy in the eyes. I'm not sure. I'm gonna give him some Benadryl to see what happens. He looks pretty healthy. His weight looks good. He evidently gets along with cats because he went up to. She told me that the dog actually went up to the cat and just sniffed it. Hi guys, so I have to pretty much give him up because his ears are extremely swollen. His face is swollen. I've been giving him Benadryl. Oh, poor little guy, look at those ears. Oh. He is the sweetest dog. I mean, the sweetest. Shelter people are here to pick up the dog. Come on. Come on, hurry up. Come on. There they go. Slow down. So evidently he has a really bad ear infection or ear mites and skin condition. Come on. Come on. Come on. You guys are gonna check if he has a chip, right? Come on. That's what they told me that you guys were gonna do. Yeah. Come on. He has a really bad ear infection or mites, or he has and he has a skin condition. Come on. I figured he didn't have anything. I know it.
So you say you found him roaming around?
No, a friend of mine found him in the street. I don't know.
Okay.
She found him somewhere in.
And it was found yesterday?
This was yesterday. Yeah, I believe it was yesterday. Yeah.
Okay.
Unfortunately, I can't keep him because I work with dogs. And he's just in really bad condition. I don't know if he has ear mites or...
Yeah, I'll go check out.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a male.
Yeah, it's a male. He's intact. All right, come on, buddy. Oh, he's also not comfortable with being caged. I had to, like, literally fight with him to get him in the cage.
He don't like to be caged, huh?
No. All right, let me.